I put fertilizer on this citronella bush the other day because I did some research on it, because last year we had a citronella bush that it bloomed and put out the prettiest little white flower. And this year, this one is not doing it. It's growing good, but it's not putting out flowers. So I looked it up to see what made them flower, if you had to have two plants or what the deal was. So I looked it up, and it said that you have to fertilize it to get it to produce flowers. So the other day I fertilized it really good, and I'm gonna fertilize it again probably tomorrow. But I learned a neat trick about the citronella. It is supposed to keep mosquitoes away, and when you spray it, it's got a good smell, I think. Some people may not like the smell of citronella, but I do. And if you take and spray it, it really makes the aroma get out there, and it does help prevent mosquitoes. Now, you have to be close to it in order for it to keep them from biting you. And I've been getting bit real bad this year. So I was over at a neighbor's talking to her about, did she know of any tricks to keep mosquitoes from biting you? And she told me that she broke me off a couple of pieces of her citronella plant and gave to me, and she told me, if you will take this, crush it, and rub the leaves on you, it'll keep mosquitoes off of you. So I thought, well, I'm gonna do one better than that. I'm gonna take and crush it and put it down in olive oil, and then let it set for several hours. And after it sets, I'm gonna rub it on me where they bite me all the time and see if it helps. So this morning, before I came over, I rubbed my arms and my ankles with the oil, and so far I have not been bit once. And usually by this time, the flies and mosquitoes, and it works for flies apparently, because they haven't been landing on me. So apparently it does work for flies and mosquitoes, and it's working so far. I will keep you posted as to how the results go, but so far I'm liking it. And like I said, I like the smell. I think it smells good. Some people may not care for it. That's up to you.